Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the GARMIN Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon of the app and tap on it to open the app. Actually, let me reopen it so you can see the home screen basically, or home page. Okay, so that's how it looks like usually when you open the app. And once you're on the home page, tap on More, Garmin Devices, and here you should see your Venu X1 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Tap on the More Options icon, and here you should see option called Remove Device. Tap on it, tap on Remove, and tap on OK. The watch should disappear from the list of devices. You can close the app now. So let's close it. Open the settings on our iPhone. In settings we need to go to Bluetooth. And here on the list of my devices there will be Venu X1. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device. And tap on Forget device. Then close the settings, of course, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.